Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to use Google Wallet. Alright, so let's begin. When you first open the app, you'll see the main interface. Since I've used the app before, you may see additional setup options such as choosing your Google account or enabling NFC on your device. To add a payment card, such as a debit or credit card, tap on this option to add a card. A new screen will appear. If you already have cards saved to your Google account, they may show up here, but you can also choose to add a new card. On the next screen, you'll be asked to enter your card details. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera or enter the details manually. For this example, we'll enter the details manually. If this is your first time adding a card, the app will also ask for your address and phone number. After entering your information, you'll be shown the terms and conditions. Scroll down and tap More and then tap on the Accept button to continue. The next step is card verification. You'll receive a verification code by message from your bank, not the phone number you entered earlier. Request the code and enter it once it arrives. If Google Wallet is not set as your default payment app, you'll be prompted to make it the default. Tap the Replace button, then tap OK. Your card is now ready to use. Back on the main screen, you can tap the card to view its details. Within the card details, you'll see an activity section where you can view your payment history and set the card as your default. Google Wallet also replaces your actual card number with a virtual number to help keep your information secure. You can rename the card if you have multiple cards added. Google Wallet supports more than just payment cards. If you go back and tap on this plus icon, you can add more cards here. You can add transport cards, although availability depends on your location. You can also add loyalty cards for use while shopping. The app shows nearby stores to make searching easier. Simply scan the barcode and add the card to your wallet. In addition, you can add gift cards and save travel boarding passes. Google Wallet keeps everything in one place, making it easy to access when needed. To use Google Wallet for payments, look for a contactless terminal. Open the app, select your card, and tap your phone against the terminal. You'll hear a sound and see a confirmation screen. If Google Wallet is your default payment app, you don't even need to open it, just tap your phone. After the payment, you'll receive a notification with details such as the amount, business name, and card used. If you're unsure whether your bank supports Google Wallet, you can check by selecting your country in the participating banks section. Additional options are available in wallet settings, though most users won't need to change anything there, and that's it. So that's basically how you can use Google Wallet. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.